Yun! Man may have discovered fire, but woman discovered how to play with it. So, happy Sunday po sa lahat. Ito nga pala yung result ng ginawa natin kanina. Ito yung with CPL lens. Kung mapapansin nyo yung kulay is bright na bright siya. Yung contrast niya, labas na labas. Sa lahat ng gusto magpatattoo, PM lang ho. 16 to 18, nasa Boracay po ako. And ito naman po yung natural light. So, pinakita ko lang po sa inyo yung difference ng kuha ng CPL at yung walang CPL. Alright? Ginawa ko po yan. Nasa Mewa TV po yung process of doing it. And November 9 to 14, nasa Taichung, Taiwan, near train station and Central District. Alright? Mewa always on the go, 24/7. Who's next? Thank you, Lord. PM lang ako sa gusto magpatattoo. Yeah!